Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And in this session, we will talk about Vray Ies Light in 3ds Max and Vray. So first of all, come here and choose the light and Vray Ies Light. Okay, then create a light in front view. Place the light on right position. Choose the target and move little bit toward the wall. Now choose the light and in IES Light parameters, first of all, I need to select IES file. Then click on the none and choose the file. Here in color, you can choose the color, whatever you want. And mostly I am using temperature. For example, I need same like a sunlight, then I will be choose 2500 like kind of light. Okay. And then I will be increase the intensity and hit render. You can see right now here are little bit intensity. Now I need to increase more intensity. Just select light and little bit move toward the model. And this target. Okay. Right now again choose the light and increase the intensity more. And right now hit render. So you can change the color and change the intensity. You can play with according to your scene like interior or exterior, and you can also change the temperature. I just want to show you an example like IS light and 6500.